Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel again. My name is Chris, nice to meet you. And okay, in this video I will show you how to configure a Mitsubishi PLC. And here's a module that CClink, the config is CClink master, and then connect to a CClink coupler is provided wago. The port number is 650-352 is a CClink coupler, and then to make a CClink communication between each other. Hope you like this. Okay, let me introduce the configuration here. Here's my Mitsubishi PLC, and the Mitsubishi side. Here's the Mitsubishi PLC, and here's the CClink master module. I think CClink module, I'll configure it as a CClink master. No need to do so many things in here, and I'll show you how to configure in this GXbox too. And here is just some cable, communication cable, and you can check how to connect it in the menu. But sorry, because I'm not a professional of the electrical connection, that I cannot provide. I cannot wind very nice. Sorry about that. And here is this the main characters of this time is a wago CClink coupler 750-352. Sorry, 352. Okay, yeah. And here it is. You can see here this one is a CClink coupler, and this is a 24-volt supply. And here's the first input channel with 8 input. It's a second channel. It is a 8 output channel. It is a second channel of the input, 4 input. Then this is the last one, the 4 output. And you can here is some LED here. This is L1. They show the module is running in normal. Here's L error is showing the module in error if this lamp is on. SD and RD is show the transmission status. Now the data is sending or receiving something. So the end file is IO. IO is a LED that show the data status of the IO data exchanging is normal or not. You can check the menu to get more information about that. Okay, and here is a dip switch. You can use dip switch to configure the local station. For example, to use CClink V1 or V2, and the transmit speed and how many station, how many cycle they're using. And here is the dip switch. This dip switch is a setting for with the location, the station number of this CClink coupler. You can just reference manual to get more information. Okay, so the second thing that I would like to show you that is the mapping, the concept of the wago, this wago CClink coupler 750-352. You can see here is a 4 input or output card. Each basically their calculation is counting by byte. So this one is the first byte. So for example, if I set my remote input from RX0, so the address of this one will be RX0 to RX7. So this is the second input. Although he only have 4 input, but his address is RX8 to RXF. The same example, the output. This one is RY0 to RY7, and this is RY8 to RYF. It is just the rule that's to follow it, and you have a very in the wago's menu they provide a correlation or a table to show you which module is how many bytes they're using and how many how many data that you use. And actually some input channel they'll have some direct data. They will not just use 1 byte, but you want use 2 byte or something. So they need to be fair. Be careful which module that you are using. Okay, so now I'll show you how to configure with a GXbox. Oh, here is my GXbox project. And in the first thing, go to PLC parameters and go to the IO assignment. Here, don't forget to in here you can see the first slot here. So how to calculate the slot? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, here 1, 2, 3. This is the first slot. So in the GXbox, you can see the first slot is start from 0040. Good. So please remember this address you use later in your project. And don't forget to integrate modules and 32 points. Name is that's up to you. You can say or don't say it. And then go to the network parameters, CClink. Here is the configuration of the CClink network. This one states start IO number. It should be exactly match that what you said in the last step. So what do you mean? In here is the CClink module. That I said the start IO start from XY40, right? So here you must make sure it set the exactly same address, even otherwise this network doesn't work. Okay, second one, set the module as its master station. Yeah, it makes sense. The mode, which mode version that we want to use with CClink. Here is version 2. Here is a start RXRY, the remote input and the remote output that we would like to start. And just like addressing, that no need to in here just for a test, so no need to take here. Just configure a easy calculation address. Okay, here is fine, and then go to station information setting and click the CClink configuration setting. Okay, in here you can find I configure one station in here. If you configure the wago, not just wago, in this case is wago 5750352. What you need to do is configure it as a integrated device stations, and then check if. And then I'm using one version 2 in here, so check the version 2 with 4 station and 4 cycle. That's all. And download to your project. The configuration finish, and now I'll show you how to make the program. Because in here, that just make some simple program. You see here, the first one will flash this output and then flash this output. That's a very simple program. How to do it? You can have so many choices. You can just directly program it, but I would like to program it as something like modules. For example, I'll create data type. You can reference from menu for all the meaning of these bits, but I will show you that I will only use bit 0, 1, 2, and F in here. You show the module is ready, have error or not, or have any error. And the second one is a wago system area X. In wago menu, they show show a formula to how to calculate the system area address. So I will not show in here. It is using for your handshake program from your wago local station to the CClink master. And also this Y also the same. Okay, I'll explain a program. Then I think you make everything more make sense. Here is a function block. If you use Siemens or a pack of your cookies at any time, function block is not very strange for you. And here is some function block that I made by ST program. And here is a in out. In out is a parameter of the system X or and Y of the wago. And now we will also output the status of each of the total module status and the input. And in the input parameter, I need to make sure the master module is ready, and also if any error, I can reset my module. And finally, is a timer and a pulse and a detect and a R trick to detect the signal is from off to on. Not very difficult, right? They go through the program. Here, first of all, I will check is any status request is come from wago module or not. If yes, then I'll check the module is ready or not. If the master is ready, okay, go to step 1. Then go to step 1. I'll set the system flag to true. This time chart, handshake time chart is totally explained in the wago manual also. So I will not explain too much in here. I'll just show you what my program done here. Then just turn the flag on 0.5 seconds. If it's true, I go to step 5 and then reset the timer. And then just see the signal is set to false or not. If yes, go to 20. If no, go to 99. 99 is just an error step. If go to 20, just reset my step also. Just reset some system flag in the output also. And then just a delay, and then reset the timer, and then finally check the module is ready or not. If yes, okay, I reset my step to 0. If no, I reset the step. I go to step 99. You need to reset it. and then to maybe initialize that again. Not difficult. So here and then there's a local label, global label. If using pack of your cookies, this is also not so strange for you. It is just some define labels. That's all the reason that why I define some data types. That's I don't need to define each address. What is this? What is it? That just it different define in is a structure type. If you see my video before that, you can see that I show you before that this data type is just a group of some variables. Here is so the first one is the module of the CClink master, and then here the wago system area X and Y. And here I told you before, every input output is counted by bytes. So it's the first byte, second byte in the output of first byte, second byte. Not so difficult. Found in the program, I will explain the program. First of all, check the module is ready or not, and then check the wago module is ready also. And then I will call the function block to make the handshake signal. And if everything is okay, I will start to turn on this, use a case statement. For step 0, I will turn the channel 1 to false and channel 2 to true. What do you mean? Here, this one is channel 1. This one is channel 2. And then I'll delay 1 second. I think it's 1 second. Yeah, sure, 1 second. And then to reset the timer, and go to the step 10, and then do the same thing. And this one, I'll turn on channel 1 to true and channel 2 to false. So, channel 2, channel 1. Very easy. And then just go with just a infinity loop. And this is the end of my video in here. So if you have any problem, so please comment and to ask me if you have any questions. So please give me a like and share if you like my video, and please subscribe it. I will publish more video in the future. So I hope yes, finally this project I upload to the GitHub. Don't worry, you can check your project, check the project and check the program 199 line by line also. Okay, thanks and see you and have a good day and see you next time. Bye bye.